No, seriously. It's got, make a little dot for Gloria, a little dot for Lee, and then the shape of the wave is one bump or one dip. So it kind of oscillates. It doesn't move anywhere, but it's oscillating. Okay, so this is what we call a standing wave. You can read about it in chapter 15. And it's got, so make a, you know, a dotted line, kind of a bump. And a dotted line, kind of a dip. You know, yeah. It's called a standing wave. And students, this is the fundamental mode. Fundamental mode for this spring. Now, if you get a different spring, it's a little tighter, a little stiffer, you might have a different looking wave. But for this one, this is what it looks like. Now, Lori's going to juice it up to a little higher energy level. And we're going to get a standing. There it is. It's got a bump and a dip, left and right, or a dip and a bump, left and right. So kind of make a sketch of that. And students, this is also a standing wave. And this one is known as a harmonic. This is the first excited state. Okay? Now, in atoms, you would talk about ground state and excited state. I see you raising your hand as if you're going to ask the question, but I know it's because you haven't cast one. So I was just with so in an atom, you have a ground state and an excited state. In fact, you have a zillion excited states. This is what the, and notice that the shape of the wave here is a little bit fancier. It's still fairly easy to figure out, but you got one lobe on the left, one lobe on the right. Okay?
And it's called a harmonic wave?
This is called a harmonic. This is a higher harmonic. Excited state. Gloria, see if you can get the second excited state. Now this one's going to have three. Freaking genius. She's, whoo. The Gloria Meister. Now this one's got a bump, a dip, and a bump, or a dip, a bump, and a dip. And notice I'm starting to get tongue-tied because it's a higher energy, little fancier waveform. This would be the second excited state. Okay? So try to make a sketch of this. This is another harmonic. This is a higher harmonic. It's the next harmonic up. Oh, there's a lot of physics in waves. The physics of sound, the physics of music. So each instrument has different mixtures of these states. And Lee is a genius over here. Look at how he's holding up the end of that thing. Holy cow.
Is this a maximum excited state, or in case you go add energy go faster?
You want to get another one?
I don't know.
It's tough. And notice how it doesn't work until you get to just the right frequency. You get kind of wobbly. It's all...
Come on, you can do it, Gloria.
We still got, that's the second excited state.
Come on, Gloria, come on, Gloria.
Maybe you need to go back further.
Maybe we need a different...
Guys, we're trying.
Maybe we'll try it on Thursday. Okay, thanks for everybody.